Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, as you see today, we have a unboxing. We have something brand new to the channel for the first time ever. I finally got some Funko Pop. Got two. These are the Simpsons Treehouse of Horror series. I think this is if I'm not mistaken, this is a new series that just released this month. These are my first Funko Pops. I purchased these at Target. I believe they was around $8, like $8.75, something like that. I forgot. I don't have a receipt. Can't find it, but y'all know how much it costs. But first we're gonna go in order. And oddly enough, this was actually the first one I saw. They had a lot of stuff. They had a lot of Funko Pop. This one really caught my eye. It is the witch Marge from the Treehouse of Horror series. You remember the episode, the segment where she was a witch and they was going around, her and the sister was going around eating everybody, and they was eating all the kids and stuff. But it's a part of the Treehouse of Horror series. Y'all can see on the back. I want to get that Krusty. I want that Krusty. Yeah, I need that Krusty. This is what it looks like. Side view, witch Marge. See that? Witch Marge right there. We're gonna open her up. Here she go. Here go Witch Marge. Take a good look at her. I love the detail on the hair. Like, the detailing on the hair is so cool. Got a broom right there. Like, she's flying, man. She's flying in the air. That's why she got this little stand up on her. Because she basically flying. The detail is amazing. Got a little cape right there, as you can see. Yeah, boom. Very good detail. Very, very good detail. Switch March. Take a look at her. Side view. Back. Okay, that's Witch Marge right there. We're gonna put her away. Put her to the side. Now this is the second one, and this is Devil Flanders. Devil Flanders. That's it. Side. Back. It's crazy I got these in the exact order. I seen the Marge and I seen the Flanders like right. I don't know if it was right beside it, but it was like right behind it and stuff. So I'm like, you know what? If I'm gonna get one, I'm always just get two. I'm always just get both of them. Since these are my first two, technically the Marge is my first, so this is my second. So this is basically my second pop is Devil Flanders. Well, y'all remember the episode when Homer wanted the donut and he sold to the devil, and they had a little trial in court. Well, y'all, if y'all seen the Simpsons, y'all know what I'm talking about. The Treehouse of Horror episode and whatnot. Devil Flanders were pretty good. I know Amazon has a glow in the dark one. They have like a glow in the dark Devil Flanders that I want to get my hands on. I recently I found out about it. As soon as I got this and stuff, I was looking stuff up, and they got a glow in the dark Devil Flanders that I want to get my hands on. So I'm gonna try to see if I can Work some magic and wake up. I'm gonna have to get off of eBay, Amazon. I don't know. Prices on things going up. Look at the detail, man. It's just amazing detail. You see, you got the glasses right there, pitchfork, little outfit, tail, little devil tail. You can see right there. You see his eyes right there. You can see his actual eyes right there. I think that's dope. I like how they really put detail into this. The back got the little devil outfit, pitchfork again. Do a little 360 around view of this. It's really dope, really dope. So we got Marge, Witch Marge, and Devil Flanders. So we have both of these. See the camera down right there so y'all can see them. Added to the collection. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think about these. I would definitely be getting some more in the future. I'm liking it. Like, I'm kind of, I don't know. I'm liking this. I'm liking these Funko Pops. I know I'm late to the game, but you know, I don't know. I just got hip to these. I seen them. I'm like, you know what? Let me give these a try. And I actually like them. I think they're pretty dope. So yeah. So let me know. I'm gonna be doing some Funko Pop vlogs starting soon, maybe, just to kind of, you know, see what I can find and, you know, take you guys with me to the store and look for some. So I will be doing a Funko Pop vlog soon. So y'all look out for that on the channel. All kinds of stuff, man. We just, you know, switching it up, doing different stuff. So yeah, these are my first two, and I will be getting more different types and variations of Funko Pop. Not just Simpsons, but just anything. Basically stuff I like. Like, if you see me get, you know, it's something I'm interested in, or something that I watch, or something that I like. So I'm gonna get some more Funko Pops coming soon. But anyway, man, y'all know what to do, man. Comment, like, and subscribe, and keep watching my videos. Next time, guys. Peace.